Hello friends, welcome to SCOT Live. Actually, I'm naming it Scott Luther because that's my name. Now, we are going to talk about how do I create a YouTube channel. Most of my friends have been asking me, how do I create a YouTube channel? So today I think it's the right time to answer. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in a very few steps, and with time you can may end up earning some good cash there from YouTube channel by providing some good content there. So I'll be providing with you some tutorials on how to get views, on how to do this, on how to do this. So but for the meantime, let's just start with how do I create a YouTube channel. So what you now need, well, you need a Gmail account. That's for one, a Gmail account. Then secondly, you need a YouTube app within your device for ease. Actually, yeah, caught me well, for ease. Okay, that is when you're using an Android, because for now we are going to use Android. So let's get into it. So this is the YouTube app. This is the YouTube app. So this is the YouTube app we are going to use. I know most of you know about it. Most of you know about it. So this is the one I'm talking about. So you are going to use that one. So we start by tapping it, then to open. Yeah, after opening it will open, and then the next step you're going to is to tap there. Let me go back there, here where I see your icon here. So we have circled, and then the next step is you tap there, and then you come over to what we call my. So after tapping my channel, so that's what is going to happen. Okay, you're going to see such a form. So all you need to do is to type in what your channel name you want to be. For example, mine, I want it to be Scott Tech. Okay, Scott Luther. Okay, Scott Luther, that's what you'll be calling me, Scott Luther. Then you might be having your channel would be like, you want to put your business. You can put, for instance, like if it was about showing people weddings, for example, one of my friend, Kana Entertainment. Okay, these guys are just into weddings. It might be about diaries. You know, you might be an affiliate, you might be any who would like to do. So for today, let's name it Scott Luther. Okay, then we tap OK, and then here you come. Then after you come to where you see the description, so you talk about your channel. For instance, me, I'm more into technology, so I'll say in this channel or on this channel, like on this channel, yeah, we discuss technology tips and affiliate marketing. Just that. Okay, that is just about your channel. So you, if your channel is about you, you can talk about yourself. You write something like between, that is but don't exceeding 1,000 words. Okay, you can talk about what your channel, what you're willing to give up the people. So that's it. So then after you click OK, and then the next video I'll be showing you how to upload a photo, that is your logo, onto your YouTube so that people can see your logo, and then I'll be showing you how to put a cover photo on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Just subscribe to my channel by pressing that red button over there and receive good information.